think that's gonna get cut down. I think you're gonna keep it. So, where we at? In BGC. Just finished partially shooting the Jeep because we got asked to leave. Yeah, we were shooting the parking lot, then we got asked to leave. So, try to find our own spot to shoot and see what happens there. So, yeah, peace. The celebrity around. Ma'am, pa-find sign po. So today we are taking the Wrangler out for a spin. I'm gonna go around and find a place to shoot for work. There she is. Wrangler. Cool. We're gonna take the Wrangler. Yep, take it for a spin. So what are we doing now? We are reviewing the footage, not the photos from a while ago. Oh, we're just double parked, waiting a bit. We can find one of the best photos that we chose. So far the GoPro battery is at yellow. Not sure what that is, but maybe below 50%.
What are you doing ba kasi?
Showing.
So far the experience.
How do you find the car so far? What's your feel? What's your favorite? What's your likes and dislikes as a passenger?
Not so comfortable. Maybe because hindi naman siya ginawa for comfort.
Super comfort.
Yeah.
Like which parts? The seats?
The seat.
Masyadong matigas? Masyadong...
Hindi, too tight. It's too tight for me.
Like the whole space where you're sitting. It's too tight. Actually, same here, and we're both not that tall. Actually, we're both not tall. I know you say not that tall because I'm not tall. But it's quite cramped on this, so I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit. You can see, like here, you usually have other room here, but sometimes you have to bump it with your elbows. It's all tight, even getting in and out of the car. But it's pretty comfy for a rugged car, I guess. Not bad.
I like the feeling.
How about in terms of ride? How does it feel?
It's nice.
Is it bumpy? Is it smooth?
It's bumpy when it's bumpy. But it's smooth when it's smooth. You get my point?
Yeah.
Because there's some cars na when it's smooth, it's still bumpy. But this one, when it's smooth, it's really smooth. Especially when you do that thing, the gas.
Yeah.
Yung super bilis.
Motor yun.
Ay, ganda pala. Sanay ako sa motor, sorry. So we're just going around BGC.
I'm gonna hold this. This is gonna... There's a hump. We were supposed to wait for the sunset, but we were asked to move. So, no sunset.
So, ikaw love so far?
I like the car in general. This is my first general experience with the Jeep. It's a fun car to drive. Nice to drive around the city. We didn't take it off road.
I really like it.
I was able
overall,
to...
parang hindi ko masabi na.
No.
It's really, really nice. Like, if you're looking for a comfortable car and something that is designed for adventure, I think this one is good. But if you really like maarte, like you wanna be comfortable, I don't think this one is for you.
I got to drive this yesterday, going to the Antipolo area, trying to find for a place to shoot. So far, it's pretty good. It handles all the curves well. I didn't get to take it off-road because it's not my car. But it's designed for that. Other than that, it runs smooth. Shifting is good. Steering is light for its size. And the pickup and the speed is, it's responsive. Cold aircon. I guess the only thing is, I don't know, the noise or the cabin noise isn't that, how do you say it? Not insulated. But basically you can hear the outside more than you would on a regular car. I'm not sure if it's because of the roof being removable or just the sound deadening in general, but things seem louder outside than usual. So,
yeah, yun nga yung sabi mo kanina, diba? Rinig na rinig.
Like even like the small motorcycles, you can hear it. So I'm gonna if you're wondering why I'm gonna take the vlog cam, we're gonna vlog cam it because I'm gonna show you the current battery status. So how long have you been using this?
2 days.
And then today we use it for how many hours? Less than
2 hours.
About 2 hours. So you can see the battery life is at yellow. So we're gonna see how long that will last. It feels like driving a regular SUV, I guess. But I just don't like yun nga. Nasisikipan na. And for some reason I don't know why you can smell the outside even if this is open. I'm not sure. I really don't know. But other than that, it's overall I like it. Would I say I like it enough to recommend it? Yeah. To buy it for myself, maybe not. Maybe because it's just not fit for me.
Well, if you ask me, yes.
Yeah, for her, yeah, because that's your dream. Did it live up to your standards as a dream car?
Maybe not this one. Maybe the Rubicon. Because that's what I really want. The Rubicon one. Yun naman talaga yung gusto ko eh.
After using it for quite a long time, and we're shooting in 4K and on the highest recording capacity, so I think it's doing quite well.
That's good.
So we're talking heads here. Alright, so we are going to test the removal of this roof. So okay, with that done, guess you can now remove this whole thing. Remove it. Yeah, I'm gonna need that's the first half removed. You get a little super panel, and this is the last step, the bigger part. So I'm gonna undo that. Bolt it. Those clips. No. Not clips. So you got them bolted right there. And there. So we're not gonna do that because he's a little bit complex, but basically, yeah, you gotta undo some stuff to remove this part, I'm assuming, to get the full rag top experience. So this is me up from the roof. So yeah, you get a little manual top down style experience. So now that we put the roof back on, it's time to lock everything up.